caution. Biktrix recommends only qualified trained professional service e-bikes who know heavy lifting, battery voltage, electricals, and specialized mechanical work. Inadequate training and tools can cause component failures, loss of control, and fatal injuries.
How to replace the Roguehawk 2 controller. You will need the following tools for this: 3mm Allen key and Phillips screwdriver. You may also need some snips and zip ties. To begin, remove the battery from your Roguehawk 2. Also unplug any range extender battery if you have one. Discharge excess electricity from the system by holding the power button for your display. Performing this step is essential to your safety. Remove the following 4 bolts with your 3mm Allen key. With bolts removed, the controller cavity cover can be slid down the crank arm. You can now access the controller. Take photos and make references of wire orientation when you open up the controller cavity. This will be useful for reinstallation. Remove the controller by gently pulling out the thickest wire. You now have the controller out and can start the removal process. Remove the screws securing ring terminals for phase wires and power with the Phillips screwdriver. Reinstall the screws into the controller to keep track of them. Next, unplug the remaining 4 connectors. These need to be pulled apart, not twisted. You will also need to unplug the following JST connector from the controller. Push the tab on the connector inwards, then gently pull the connector out. You may also need to replace this wiring header. Pressing the tab to unplug it. Firmly seat the replacement into the controller, pushing on the sides to secure it. With all connectors removed, the controller can be pulled out. Take the new replacement controller. Begin plugging each connector in one at a time. Ensure the arrows are lined up when plugging in connectors. There will be one yellow 3-pin connector which remains unplugged. Next, reinstall the phase and power wires. Remove the screws, reinstall the ring terminals, and tighten the screw to reconnect. Match yellow, green, and blue on the controller with wires. Ensure the washers are positioned in between the screw head and ring terminal. Power wires, match the black wire and terminal to B- on the controller. Match the red wire and terminal to B+ on the controller. Reinstall the rubber terminal cover onto the controller. reference the pictures you took when opening up the controller cavity. These will assist you to effectively repack the wires into the controller cavity. These wires must be oriented in a few specific ways to install the cover. It might take a few tweaks and rearrangements to get things correct. Keep on tweaking and test fitting until it slides in and closes. Once the controller is flush in the cavity and the cover sits flat, you can secure it with the bolts. Thread each bolt in by 2 to 3 turns to start. Once all of the bolts are partially threaded and you can fully tighten them. Your new Roguehawk 2 controller is now installed. Reinstall your battery and go for a ride to test it out.